the LNC Painter YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna be painting this Bentley that you see behind me. The car is masked up, ready to go. All we gotta do now is we gotta clean it up, wax and grease remover. I used One Choice SXA 330 and a microfiber towel. We're gonna clean it up, paint the quarter, blend the door. Had a good size damage here, and we did a nice clean repair, primered it. We're not gonna paint the whole entire roof and the quarter panel. As you can see, this is one seamless piece. What we're gonna do is we're gonna spot paint, break it right here at the thinnest part of the roof. That way we don't have to go into the roof and the other quarter panel. And I'll show you guys how I go about making a clean transition with the clear coat that's easily polishable and not detectable. So I did mask it up a little further, but I'm only gonna take it up to here. Our paint is gonna be very close, so I have to try and contain my overspray by staying away from this edge and pointing my gun away from that edge. That way, if we get any paint here, then we can't really spot clear, because you're gonna see that transition. What we're gonna do now is I got my clear base coat. I'm gonna apply it over everything just to give us a nice uniform foundation for our base coat to blend into. And then I have my color mixed up, LA7W, and we're gonna do our 2-3 coats, enough to get coverage, and then control coats, even everything out, keep our transitions nice and clean, and the car should look just like new when we're done with it. So let's get cracking. All right, 2 coats of base and a control coat is down, and we have full coverage and nice even surface. Check out that base coat, blended out beautifully. Stayed away from front of the door. And then we have a nice clean transition from paint to no paint. Stayed away from the top here. made a pocket, so then that way if we do have some paint in there, it's not going to leave a sharp line where it's going to blend out. Stayed away from the trunk, from the bumper, and then obviously blended out the paint here. So now we can do our clear coat. I have it mixed up. EC 520 PPG clear. We're going to do our 2 coats and make it shiny. All right, our Bentley is finally painted and looking beautiful. Check it out, guys. Silky smooth, super clean paint job. And then got a nice smooth transition right here that we can polish out easily with 3000. Very nice. So now we're gonna unmask the car, assemble the door handle, the moldings, mirror, get the car detailed and ready to go.